we'll be starting our writing about an opinion paragraph. So let's take a look at the writer's checklist that we need about what makes a great opinion paragraph. There are 4 things that we really need. The first one is it begins with an opinion that clearly states what the writer does or does not like. The next one, it gives strong reasons that explain why the writer thinks or feels this way. The next part, it uses linking words such as because and also to link an opinion to a reason. And the last part, the ending sentence repeats the opinion using different words. This will be a fun time to give our opinion about something, how we feel about something. Everybody has different opinions. Let's look at an example. This says writing model, opinion paragraph. Somebody was given a writing prompt, which means they were told to write an opinion paragraph telling about a kind of music you like. So they were told to write about a kind of music that they like. Let's read it. It says, folk is my favorite kind of music. I like it because it is fun to sing with other people. It also teaches you about many different times in history and many different places. Some of the songs are sad and some are happy. I like the way guitars sound in folk music. Folk music sounds peaceful. Give it a try. You might like folk music as much as I do. So this is an example of an opinion paragraph. And this is an example of what it will look like of what you're going to write. Now you're not going to write exactly this or exactly about this, but it's an example of what it will look like. And I really like the labels off to the side showing the things that it has that we will also need. Look, opinion. Folk is my favorite kind of music. That right away tells the person's opinion. It says what they like and what kind of music they like. Folk is my favorite kind of music. And then right here it says reasons. And right here we have the arrows. Wow, they give a lot of reasons. I like it because it is fun to sing with other people. Oh, because. That's one of the linking words we read about. And I see another one. Also. Wow. That's great that they use those linking words to kind of talk about the reasons. So they used, let's see, 1, I see another period 2, another period 3, another period 4, another period 5, 6 sentences within their reasons. Wow. And then we see an ending. You might like folk music as much as I do. So they talked about their opinion again, but they used different words. They said that they like folk music, but they also said, I hope you like it as much as I do. So once again, this is an example of an opinion paragraph. This is about as much writing as you're going to do when you're going to write your opinion paragraph, and the things that you'll need, in the order that you'll need them. Your opinion, the reasons, and then the ending. So before we get started though, let's talk about a few things that we'll need. Like within our sentences. Something that you're going to do today is you're going to write 2 sentences. But not just any sentences, you're going to write strong sentences. Right here I have 2 examples. It says weak and strong. Let's look at an example of a weak sentence where there's not a whole lot to it. Not a lot of feeling, not a lot of detail. I like to play the guitar. There's not much to that sentence. How do we make this stronger? Playing the guitar is better than eating dessert because it is so exciting. Wow, that is a strong sentence. There is so much feeling in that sentence. That is strong. Look at the difference between this sentence and this one. That is definitely strong. What about this one down here? I like movie music. That is a weak sentence. It tells what you like, but how can we tell more or have a stronger feeling to it? Strong sentence. Movie music is so great to listen to. Yeah, that tells a little bit more. It tells a little bit more about how you feel or why it's great to listen to. And let's look at maybe two more that don't maybe have to do with music. Well, we probably knew I was going to have a cat in there. Weak sentence. I like my cat. I can say more. Strong sentence. My cat is the best pet because she is fluffy and cuddly. That definitely has strong feelings and details in there. Weak sentence. Coloring is fun. That's pretty boring. That doesn't say a whole lot. Strong sentence. Coloring is an activity that helps me relax and feel calm. Yes, that tells a whole lot more. So today in Seesaw, you are going to look at two weak sentences, kind of like this, where it might say, I like my cat, or coloring is fun, and you're going to turn them into a strong sentence, just like these. I can't wait to see what you come up with.